Ребята попросили, говорят, под музыку кайф потанцевать. О нет! Вот это я понимаю! Смотри! Дайте грува! Вот это начало! Смотрите! Смотрите!
I came to bring the pain, more hard to the brain. I'm busting that ass again. I burn like acid rain, that ass is flame.
Это что? Это что?
Ain't it evident I'm hitting it? Yes. Smack for president, be in hell with gasoline George for the hell of it. And I ain't delicate, blows hot as kettle getting out. You ain't fucking with that, you must be celibate. Bad, just a little, got a sack, we can sizzle a little hash in the middle. Where that? In the middle, yup. Mommy, if you got a fat ass, make it jiggle, yup. Put it in my next video shot by Little X. Sending me up, going up, and any left. I'm trying to get one up, but not a penny less. Ain't bad. Come on, bank cash. Come on, everybody do it with your stank ass. Make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody. Make you wanna step to the bar, sip Bacardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, Shaolin, Queensbridge down the Long Island. Manhattan, each and every hood, what's happening? Come on, yeah, real talk.
Look at these niggas, yeah. Now watch me back your shit up. I hope you people pull up and pick up and pack your shit up. Homie, it's time to move. While I'm seeing right through you, let me relieve you with all of your figures. See the streets and never believe in you niggas. Come on, go ahead and babble. You can watch me patiently wait and aim and attack you. Instead, I'ma let one of my bitches slap you. I invite you and your niggas to try and feel around for the unruly awakening of a sleeping giant.
Я не верю.
Once I give you the pressure and then I apply it in your breathing and stop it totally quiet. Captain in the shit, so call me the pilot. I'll leave you in the crew, collide me diet. Stop on a nigga, just like a herd of 1,000 cows that'll travel over your face and press your shit. Try to worse than the break and then return to you and get the reppin' and get the steppin', nigga. This shit'll make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody, make you wanna step to the bar and sip Bacardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, Shaolin, Queensbridge down to Long Island, Bronx, nigga, Manhattan, to each and every hood, what's happening? Come on.
Yeah, truthfully,
Come
my
on,
nigga.
niggas, listen, let me talk.
Let me talk.
Come on. Can't you see what I got for you now? Shake it big fat ass in front of me now. To all my live members, to all my live niggas, we hit a blackout, follow the story now. Just feel my heat, and you know I'm gonna just keep it street. My nigga, cause you know we about to lose it, my nigga, and you know we gon' get real stupid. My nigga, see the police coming, fireman coming, street niggas ready to ride and start dumbing. I love to see it whenever you and your man frontin'. Me and Memphis step to you, and smash something.
Now who is here? Dope MC, killing these cowards. Whack niggas get pimp slapped. Give me some powder. Click clack, put on your back. Now think about it.
Нет! Нет! It's you? No? Кто-то потерял кофту, а я потерял трусы сейчас, по-моему. Oh. Guys, you like it? Oh, it's so crazy. По-моему, костер был чуть меньше сейчас, вот, до этого батла. Ребят, экстренный случай какой-то. Я не знаю, что делать. У меня эмоций нет, которые могут олицетворить это все. Потом какой-то дурачок говорит: ой, эти ваши танцы.
Ну что, мы как бы 10 лет, мне кажется, шли вот к этому, да? 10 лет вот к этому мы шли, вот такому!
Это anniversary! Buddha Stretch, you ready?
Он вообще готов, мне кажется.
Он думает, вот это я раскачал хоп-культуру, вот это как.
Так он и думает.
Все вместе, ребята, от 1 до 3. Очень громко.
Kiss the sky.
And if it ain't for disrespect, bust some F.
Fight that man die.